Hello?
Jacob, I need you to be in Sunday, okay? I'm going on vacation, so I might need someone to be in charge.
Wait,
Okay,
say,
so
say. There might be a problem Sunday.
what do you mean? What's the problem?
Yeah, my father just passed
Oh,
like 3 days ago, and his
okay.
funeral will be at Sunday. So can I take the day off then?
Oh my gosh. Of course not. Did I ask for your sub story, nigga? All I just did was ask
But,
you to come
but
in
say,
Sunday. I don't care if your father died, nigga. I just asked for to be in Sunday. I'm not even asking anymore. I'm telling. Be in or you're fired. Pussy.
Yo, yo, I be focused on them